ये कोबी ओके ओ
जनगणमन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
A very good morning to all. On behalf of KTODC, I extend my warm welcome to all the newly elected honorable MPs and each one of you present here. Namaste, Kulunka. In exercise of the powers conferred by the TTADC Constitution, Election and Conduct of Business Rules 1985, Honorable Governor of Tripura is pleased to issue orders for due constitution of the newly elected district council and in accordance with rule 166(1), Srimati Santri Das, LR and Secretary Law, Government of Tripura is hereby authorized to administer the oath for affirmation to the newly elected members of the district council. I would like to request Srimati Santri Das, LR and Secretary Law and Government of Tripura to initiate the process of administering the oath or affirmation to the newly elected honorable members of the district council. Now, I would like to call upon the newly elected honorable members to come on the stage one by one for taking oath or affirmation to the Constitution of India. First, I call upon Sri Bhavaranjan Riyam, 1 Damchara Kampui ST.
अनोखा
Ang Mutang Bhavaranjan Riyam, TTADC ni atau dengan member sektor ye, Subagrani Mumbai, Ismail Kamu, je ini tapi mung pakai, bamung pakai India di Constitution ni dia ain susuti, kami putih je pakai ini kabai dia kamu pangai ma di bawah hati.
Now, Now I call upon Srimati Manju Rani Sarkar Chun Basma. As she is absent, now I call upon Sri Shailendra Nath, Sri Dasda Kanchanpur.
Popono.
Now I call upon Sri Ratish Tripura, Port Karmachara ST.
Ao. Ani lihat saja dong kata tahu. Angnoka. Nonton lewat itu tuh mau bagi main. Nonton bisa main. Itu jangan nahan maya orang kena yang jabati saya. Norka.
Now I call upon Sri Ismail Joy Tripura, Five Chaman. Now I call upon Sri Hollywood Chakma, 6 Manu Chalenka.
Norka. Ani fikir kan?
ত্রিপুরা উপজাতি জেলা প্রশাসন ও জেলা পরিষদের নকশায় করছে আগামী দেবে বোঝেন উত্তর নামে সহজ গতি দমন মুই এই নদী ভারতের সংবিধানের পুকুরে একামনে প্রতিন দিচ্ছে আর আদিম মগৈতে মুই ভারতের সার্বভৌমত্ব আর জদায় রক্ষে করি আর মুই যে দায়িত্ব গতি দমন প্রতিন বিচ্ছেদর লগে বলে তাদের সাথে
Now I call upon Sri Dhirendra Debbarma, 7 Dhanchara Kachuchara.
Hanya saya buku ini.
Ang Musang Director Department Different Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council Atong Ungui Tongkat Maya Gulo Kaitoni Ungui sumai tangui sado kurakni koi to kenargui sumai tangui sado barot elem bakni disingti kaza kerongno koi to kubui orok komoi ang wajagui kongmani samungno abai kubai tangai.
Now I call upon Sri Katrachoriyan at Ganganagar, Gandachara.
out hay đi siya kaya tama.
Ang Musang Sampradiriyan Tripura Tribal Areas Nama District Council ni kehar tui pangkiye tunjuk paimon iyo kuo Ishonno duai laye smai tang ye satawo abono te krok kiye au ye smai tang satawo parot hakko bai snam tenyok mo pa kerong bai darau no mukha bai hakkiye mukhrong bom jaiye ani satawo pau tenyok mo samung rong no ang abai kubai ke tanglai Now, I call upon Sri Prashmit Verma, 9 Halali Ashram Bari.
out kita.
Ang Muchang Prashmit Deborma, Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous District Council Ada Mungui, Chonggamani Yabulo, Mahaduri Mungui, Sumai Tangui Sajawo, Gerakhe Putu Nargui, Sumai Tangui Sajawo, Barokni Baki, Singtui, Hajar Kerangno, Putu Kubui, Horok Pomui, Abno Boksagui, Tomani Samungno, Habai Kubai Tangai Hambai.
Now, I call upon Sri Rajeshwar Verma, 10 Tulai Chandra.
Markale. Mana na ba? Mana? Namanya dulu.
Ang Muchang Rajeshwar Deborma, Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous District Council adong ungai tongjak ma yahalo kaitonis semai tangi sadao berake kutu narake semai tangi sadao baro lembaki singkui sadak kerangno kutu kubui barong bomoi anu baktek ma tongmani samuno abai kubai tangan amai.
Ang tanong ka. Oi. Siyan na ba yun?
Now, I call upon Sri Utpat Verma, 11 Maharani Purtoliyama.
Masih na? Okay.
Ang Muntah Department, the tribal area of North District Council, adong di Kongjak at Yakibo. Terakhir kutu narake Maitani Sakau. Barang elamat di singti hadak erano, kuitu kui. Orang omoi, anak Kongjak panis kamu. Lok habai kubai kaknya.
Now, I call upon Sri James Verma, 12 Ramchandra Ghat.
I, Mr. James Verma, Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous District Council, Adang Ungwi, Chongjakmaya Gola, Taikonis Sumai Tangui, Grakya Pertonaragui, Sumai Tangui Hazao, Barat Elembakni, Bisimpu, Hazak Yarallah, Perto Kumui, Khorok Bongui, Alau Bakzagui, Tongmani Samuno, Kabai Kubai Tangai, Warga Johamai.
Kenal sini. Hah? Waduh itu.
Now, I call upon Sri Ravindra Verma, 13 Simna Kamakar.
Ada gitu. Yang mikirnya display yang
Ang Musang Ravindra Verma, Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous Council, Adong, Ongoi, Tongjakma, Yakuro, Kaigoni Mongoi, Samai Kandis Pao, Paro, Elambakni, Isingkui, Hadak, Keramo, Oito, Hobui, Korok Omui, Ano, Bokjagui, Tongmani, Hamuno, Habai, Kobai, Amnai. Now, I call upon Sri Rulia Deparma, 14, Vichan Nagar, Bhakti Nagar.
I, Mr. Rulia Deparma, the Tribal Areas Autonomous Council, Adong Ungi, Tongjakma, Yakulo, Kaitoni Sumai Tangai, Sadawo, Virat Poito, Narakai Sumai Tangi Sadawo, Baro, Elambagni Pisimpi, Hazak Kerono, Poito Kupui, Korokomui, Amo Bokjaki, Tongmano Samuno, Habai Kubai, Tangai, Habai.
Now, I call upon Sri Jagdish Deparma, 15, Zirania Estate.
Okay. Lütfen. Bro.
Mustan, Jagadish Jagor, Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council, Adong Ungi, Tongjakma Yakulo, Ishwadni Nuntai Sumai Tangi, Sadao, Trakhe Puito Naragai, Sumai Tangi Sadao, Baro, Elambakni, Pisimti, Hazak Kerono, Puito Kubui, Korok Bomui, Ano, Bokjagui Tongmani, Samuno, Habai, Kobai, Tangai.
Now, I call upon Sri Jitendra Deparma, 16, Mandai Nagar, Pulinpur.
And the transition of the former to private areas from District Council, Adong Ungi, Tongjakma Yakulo, Kaitoni Mongoi Sumai Tangi Sadawo, Trakhe Puito Naragai, Sumai Tangi Sadawo, Baro Elambakni Pisimpi, Hazak Kerono, Puito Kubui, Korok Omui, Bokjagui, Tongmani Samuno, Habai Kubai, Tangai, Hambai.
Now, I call upon Srimati Deepa Deparma, 17, Pekwar Jala, Jannajoy Nagar Estate. Masakti Kita Depona, Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous District Council ni Hadap Jut Mungai, Chongdak Pani Yakulo, Kaitoni Mungai, Berakit Samai Takni Hadawo, Barat Hakotoni Kilembak ni Fishing Tree, Hadap Kerano Puito Saul, Kubui Korok Bomai, Ano Bongtamani Baca Ebas Kamuno, Habai Kubaino Karna, Josona. Now, I call upon Sri Suraj Dev Verma, 18 Takarzala Jambuja.
Macam Suraj Deverman, Tripura Sab Bodo Pai, Bosa Angkor Foksam, Adon Ungle, Songdama Yak, Kaitoni Pulis, Mai Sado, Terakhir Poito Narabe, Mai Sado, Barat Elam Bab, Disinti atau Kirami Poito, Ubui, Bok Moropai, Ano Bok Somani Sama, Sabai Ubai.
Now, I call upon Sri Buddha Kumar Dev Verma, 19 Amtali, Dolaghar. I, Machan Buddha Kumar Dev Verma, Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council, Adon Ungle, Songchakna Yagulo, Kaitoni Samai Tangle, Hazaro, Berakit Puito Narabe, Samai Tangle, Hazaro, Barat Elam Bab Fishing Koi, Hazar Kerano, Puito Kubui, Korok Bomai, Ano Boksari, Alone Hamono, Habai Kubai Tangle. Belangan. Now, I call upon Sri Purna Chandra Jamatia, 20 Pilarapa.
Ang Podoton Dotoma ya. Di sini atong ang maya kolot, pangda maya kolot matai kotor, papa korea ni mangui, semai tangui sadau, barat kotor ni elembak, ada kerana ang kotor payu, te ani sakau bangsa kodano, kabai kubai, bakro kongui samantanai, amu.
Now, I call upon Sri Chandrakumar Jamatia, 21, Maharani, Telangana.
I, Sri Chandrakumar Jamatia, having been elected a member of the Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council, do swear in the name of God, solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter. Holonda.
Now, I call upon Sri David Mura Singh, 22, Kataria, Mirza Rajapur.
Musang David Murasi, Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council ni Lukurat by Samjat Adam Ungui Samjatma Yagulo Sini Mutairot Tay Bala Holichantai Kaitorni Sumai Tangui Sajau Gerakke Kuitanaragui Sumai Tangi Sajau Barat Hakutorni Elam Baki Bisingkuri Khazak Kerongno Puito Kubui Korok Bomoi Ano Boksari Kongmani Samungno Khabai Kubai Tangai Jai Bhagwan Jai Prasad Jai Khansa Bharat Mata Ki Jai Jai Bhut Vande Mataram.
Now, I call upon Sri Kamal Kanai, 23, Ampi Nagar.
I, Sri Kamal Balai, having been elected a member of Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council, do swear in the name of the God, solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will faithfully discharge that duty upon which I am about to enter. Thank you.
Now, I call upon Sri Dhananjay Tripura, 24, Rahima Vedi.
Usang Bahanga Tripura, Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous District Council ने आधा हुए चौंका में याद लो, काइटोनिस समाज कांग्रेस का दबो, ग्रामीण कुंकू नारगो समाज कांग्रेस का दबो, भारत एलन बागने उसी ते हजारी हजार केरला बुद्ध दुबई, पर बोमो यानो बंजारे कम्मनी सामुना साबाई दुबई कांग्रेस
Now, I call upon Sri Sujoy Uchoy, 25 Nutan Bazar, Malbas.
Sujoy Uchoy, Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council lead, Pohatui from Sayalaya, Krishkoni Mumbai, Soika Kawoi, Boy Katu Mumbai, Akan Karuye, India Army, Roito Royan, Komodo, Maninai, Ake Amje Tamna Kaitumi, Abuna Hati Chuk Mumbai, Samutama, Haka.
Now, I call upon Sri Tenaram Riyang 26, Veer Chandra Nagar, Kalash. Now, I call upon Sri Debajit Tripura 27, Purba Mohipur, Buratali.
Bersama Deputi Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous District Council Adam Mungui, Somsak Mayagolo, Kaitani Mungui, Samai Kangai Sasago, Parot Elembak Dibisikte,
Ada Kerokno, Pui Chukui, Korokoi Ano, Bokzagoi Company, Sabongno, Habai Kubai Kanai, Habai.
Now, I call upon Sri Pangjam Wong 28 Silachari Manu Bankul. All members have taken oath in accordance with the provisions of the TTIDC, Constitution, Election and Conduct of Business Rules 1985. I would like to convey my sincere thanks and congratulations to all the honorable members on completion of the oath-taking ceremony. I also convey thanks to all the officers for their cooperation in successfully organizing the oath-taking ceremony. Now, I would like to announce that under Rule 17.1711/1, Honorable Governor of Tripura is pleased to appoint Sri Jagdish Debbarma, elected MDC, to preside over the proceedings of the first meeting of the newly elected council. I call upon Honorable Member Sri Jagdish Debbarma to take his chair to preside over the first meeting and advance the further proceedings. Thank you.
Officials to the first meeting of the 9th TTADC. As per conduct of business rules, to the first meeting of official the Autonomous District Council Chairman and Chief Executive Member elected English Tomani. Jasmana Kasha Karone, Tini Official Chairman TTADC and Official Chief Executive Member elected Khajaria. বলবাগই পরবর্তী সময়ে তেরোশো সিটি কংগ্রে খাজাবি কতাল চেয়ারম্যান তাই সিএম চন্দ্রভাই বলবাগই গভর্নর ভাই FM খাজা প্রেসিডেন্ট অফিসার হিসেবে অবহানি দায়িত্ব অবনো সাগলাইনেন তবে তিনি চিফ এক্সিকিউটিভ অফিসার তিনি সময় প্রোগ্রাম
declare remain. Humble.